Hey guys, I'm Ali and you're watching a live trading demo of my Solana Sniper bot. So in this specific video, as you can see, the bot has successfully purchased a token and it has successfully sold the token at a take profit price of 35%. And the take profit and stop loss are actually automated, and all other features, for example, risk management features, for example, checking for any possible rug pulls or liquidity pulls, etc. That features are already integrated using RugCheck API. And for real-time tracking, we are using DexScreener and GeckoTerminal API, but I'm open to integrate any other APIs that you have in mind. And also I'm open to integrate any other risk management API. For example, we can check for any other risk management feature that you have in mind, but all the necessary features which are required for a bot are already integrated. And also for buying and selling the tokens, we are using Jupiter Swap, and we can also using alternatively a Radium Swap. But the purpose of this demo video was actually to show you guys how the bot works and how successful it can be. So if you guys are interested in this bot, I can provide you a copy of this bot on demand. So contact me on the links below or given in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video.